Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to explain the importance of having an intro video on your channel. Now I uploaded an intro video yesterday to my channel, and for me the main reason for doing this was to show people who land on my channel who I am, what I do, and how I can help them. But the other thing I struggled with was how to actually upload a YouTube video, an intro video, onto my YouTube page. It wasn't very clear on how to do this, and I had to go and find a couple of other videos to help me get there. But essentially, this is what I'll be showing you how to do today. So let's get into it. Right guys, so now we're in the channel dashboard, and if you don't know how to get here, type in studio.youtube.com into your browser and it will take you into your dashboard. Now this business here is my own business, which I run on a daily basis. So it hasn't yet got an intro video, but we will upload one eventually. But the purpose of this video is to show you exactly how to do that. So once you're in your channel dashboard, you simply want to go to the top right corner where your image is, and then you want to click your channel. Now once you're in here, you'll see this button here called Customize Channel. Simply click that, and that will take you to the YouTube Creator Studio. And then it's quite funny. YouTube don't make it very clear, but essentially what you need to do is click the Home tab. Now, once you click the Home tab, you will see your videos, if you have any. So I've got 2 videos. I've only got 2 shorts, but you might have a number of videos here. So as you can see, it's grayed out at the moment. There's no indication of how to do an intro video, where to upload it. So YouTube don't exactly make it very easy. So what you need to do here is under your Home tab, click Home tab, and then you need to click this toggle here. And then it won't go from grayed out. You'll be able to see all the videos here. Now again, YouTube don't make it easy, but simply click Add Section, this button here. And then you'll see something called Channel Trailer. And this is what your intro video is. They call it a trailer. So click your channel trailer, and then you can choose a specific video. So obviously I've only got 2 videos, but if you have other videos, you can choose which video you want to be as your channel trailer or your intro video. So for argument's sake, just for the demonstration, I'm going to click this video, and then that puts my video here, and it says channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. Now once you've done with that, you can click publish, give it a few seconds, and then you can view your channel. And there you go. That's your intro video sorted. So yeah, it's very easy to do once you know how, but I definitely recommend installing an intro video, so that you can tell your audience what you do, highlight specific content, and that will definitely help to provide a better understanding of your channel. So yeah, hope that works well for you guys. Thanks, bye.